today I will talk about how can you change gender on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways that it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go down, click here on library down here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You go above this sign, click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You click here on your name. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You click here on edit profile. So then you click here on gender, just click on it here. Then here can you change your gender in this list, then you click on save, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.